Oh my God. Fuck yeah. Got a little treat. This is my weekend treat. Boom. Be demoing this for the weekend. This white is amazing. All right, Yeti SB115. This is a large. I am a medium, 5'8", probably 190 with gear on. But I'm in this Kika demoing, and this is from Pro Bike Supply in Newport, and all they have is a large. So we'll give her a shot. I kind of rode it in the street a little bit. It actually didn't feel too big or too overwieldy or what have you. I think the only thing that they said they changed from the stock build was these are Knox carbon rims with, I think, Shimano hubs. Anyways, yeah, four piston XT brakes. Oh, all right, right away out of the box. These Recons, I don't agree with them at all. Need a little bit more tread. Aggressor would be perfect in the back. Maybe a DHF up front. These tires were just stocked by Pro Bike. Okay. I like the supportive rear shock so far. Ring the bell. Ding, ding. Put your game face on, son. Waterworks. Whoa! This ain't my bike. Oh my God, these tires don't fucking stop. Oh, I gotta slow down. Holy shit. These brakes and tires. I think it's more the tires. Hey, all right. Happy with that. That's really braking bumped out. Oh my God. Fuck yeah. This bike just popped right off of that. Holy shit. I kind of slow rolled it. Oh my God. This bike is so fun on this shit. Oh man.
Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna come to your garage one day.
Hey there.
There's gonna be like a bike labeled Waterworks.
Yeah, oh no, this is a perfect.
Like 10 bikes, each one dedicated
to
to
certain
like
trail. Yeah, this bike is fucking perfect for this. It's game time.
Yay!
All right. Watch this back tire. It's fucking janky. Spitfire. All right, this loose section should be interesting. These fucking tires. Ah! Getting bumped all around. Man, this bike just picks up speed so fast. My God.
I'm not bitching. It's crazy though. Oh my God. Again, I got so much pop. Drop it. I don't know if it. Holy fuck! I had 0 speed.
Wicked day on the 115. I had a lot of fun on it. I can ride from my front door and hit miles of trails, but I don't need my 130 right here. And many of the times I definitely don't need a 150. And it begs the question, are we all overbiked? I was very surprised. The little DPX or whatever shock they call this, the float. Oh, DPS. Little DPS shock. Okay. I was actually really surprised at that. I was worried that I would compress the shit out of it, hitting stupid jumps or doing stupid shit. And actually, it was really supportive the whole time, and it really shocked the shit out of me, I'm telling you. Demo that I did last week of the Pivot 429, Trail 429. Man, these little trail bikes are, they are gems to behold. This is like the perfect like ride from my frickin' garage door and hit miles of trails and come back. I'm gonna be shopping. My birthday's later on in the year, and I think I can con my wife into get me a bike for my birthday. We'll see on that.
Ocean views on a Sunday morning. SB115 up a steep ass fucking hill. Oh God. Right on the nose of the saddle. Oh my God. This thing's fucking crushing it. Oh yeah. Oh shit! Fucking tires. Ooh, shit. Fun on a bike with more tires.
Yeah. How the bike did? Except for the tires?
Yeah, everything's good except for that. No tread. Of course, camera's probably not going to do this any justice. Fuck. Yeah. Ooh. This is RV lot number 2. I've been riding all these trails blind. I don't know these trails. With this ridiculous back tire, kind of riding just cautious. Sick. Oh. Whoa, big G. Oh shit. I just saw him fucking whoosh.
Well, that means no mountain lion.
No. Easy peel, Adventurous Brewing. All right. Cheers.
Let's go with some final thoughts and opinions on the SB115. All right, so let's first mention that right away out of the box that this bike was a large. I'm a medium. However, due to the geometry of the SB115 not being very crazy, I was able to ride this a large with relatively no problem. The Pivot Trail 429 and then this bike, it's like splitting hairs on which one can climb better. So we'll talk about numbers here. So I'm going off this off the top of my head. I made some notes, but we'll go off the top of my head. So the 115 is 130 up front, 115 in the back. We have a 67.6 head degree angle, and I believe 74.5 seat tube angle. The reach is 430 on the medium, 450 on the large. On the downhill, man, I might have to give like just the steep part. I would have to give Pivot just a slight edge because it is a degree slacker. So the Pivot is 66.5, the Yeti is 67.5. I mean, so you have a whole degree of difference there. In the downs, you know, possibly the whole degree difference in head to angle could make a difference. Pushing me over the edge to the 115 is that I love Yeti. And if you don't love Yeti and you can be on a Pivot 429, man, you're getting a great bike. You know, either way, you are not losing in this game. Link up there for the Pivot 429. I did a video on it last week. Basically, I rode these bikes back to back. Are we all overbiked? And in my humble opinion, I'm gonna say, yeah, I know I am. Oh, and I'm getting thirsty because I've been talking for a while. This is Anchorage from Anchorage, Alaska, that I get through Tavour. Either way, this is a juice bomb from Anchorage. So on that note, you will not be disappointed with either the 115 or the Trail 429. And it comes down, yeah, I'm in the middle. It comes down to personal choice. I'm sorry. But you won't be disappointed either way.